Wanted to show you how to remove and install your Marquis hot tub filter. You just take your lid off, set it off to the side in a safe spot. There's a little handle. It says even on the filter, turn to remove, lefty loosey. You turn it until it loosens up all the way. There's threads at the bottom of the filter that tighten it up. You want to take and to clean the filter, you want to do this once a month perfectly, or that would be the goal. You just rinse off with the jet setting on your garden hose. You do not want to use a pressure washer. You can use a product like a tablet to soak these in periodically, like every time you drain and refill the hot tub. You want to replace these every 12 months. The filters get loaded up, they get plugged up. 75% of hot tub problems come from dirty filters. So the best thing is to be proactive and replace these every year. To install it back in, you'll slide it back in there, you'll line it up and you'll turn it, and you get it started, and then you turn it until the point where it gives you a little resistance, and then you stop. The number one issue, if the filter is going to cause a problem, it's from you over tightening it. You don't need to crank it down. You just turn it until it gives you a little resistance, and then you stop, and you're all set.